Laura is so pissed right now because she couldn't go off the slide. So we are on our way to Gili Lankanfushi, which is one of the first resorts, luxury resorts in the Maldives. Are you excited? How excited are you?
Very. Okay, so as you saw, we just arrived at Gili Lankanfushi and we're going to show you our room. So this is where we arrived. So we arrived by boat instead of by buggy because we're completely detached from the island. So yeah, so this is where you arrive. This is the outdoor area. So you have some nets to relax in, a little hammock over there, really cool. Right over there, by the way, is the biggest overwater villa in the world. Okay, so this is the upstairs. The only thing that I don't like is that we have view on a local island that doesn't look really good. This actually is, yeah, as you can see, it's like a bed. Sometimes they do that you can sleep under the stars when it's not too windy like it is right now. So maybe we'll do it, we'll see. So this is the bathroom. So we have a bath with the view. We even have a little fridge to put in my makeup or like my products, which is really nice. We have the dressing, a little place to take a dip. We have a shower. The cool part about the shower is that there are two shower heads, so we can shower together, which is really cool. I like that. So we're back at the living room now, and I'm going to show you the other side. So there's a little kitchen area right here to make coffee and everything. So this is the bedroom.
Hello.
I wish I could smell it because it smells so good.
That would be me.
These are some bites they prepared for us. And this is it. Look at the view.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. Morning faces. Okay, so these are our last 3 days in the Maldives before we go back home and start editing this insane vlog. It will be so long now. We're going to do it.
This will probably be part 5 or something. What a beautiful day again.
It's an amazing day. Let's hope our last 2 days are good.
Just enjoy our last couple of days.
Yay.
That's the goal. So we just had lunch in their overwater restaurant, and now we're gonna enjoy the beautiful weather here, take some shots, and then tonight we'll have sunset drinks with the marketing team, and then we'll have Indian tandoori night.
So we just did some shooting here at the pool villa. And the views are absolutely stunning. Look at this.
That's our villa right here.
So the hotel is actually fully booked, but we have the feeling that we're completely alone. Only in the restaurants you can see that there are other people, because otherwise it's just us and this paradise. No, honestly guys, this place is incredible. Like, I know we haven't been vlogging our full day here.
It's our favorite.
I really think it's our favorite. I think it's officially our favorite. We've done, I think, about 15 resorts in the Maldives, and our last one.
We've been here 24 hours.
And we already think it's perfect. I mean, there are other resorts we like as well, like St. Regis and Waldorf Astoria.
One and only we really like as well.
Yeah.
But this, Gili Lankanfushi,
but this is really out of this world, because
you
I
make
think,
us wet.
Ew.
That was gross, wasn't it?
This is a gross thing
Okay,
to say.
cut.
I think it just depends on what you like, but we like the real island life, and it's still luxurious without being over the top luxurious, but it's perfect, isn't it?
It's
you
perfect.
have beautiful beaches, the water is the bluest we've seen in the Maldives. It's just...
There she is! Did you do a big poo-poo? Okay, I'm gonna leave you to it. Bye!
So again today we did not vlog a lot, I feel. Tomorrow will be a day of vlogging because we really want to show you guys this beautiful resort because this place is just incredible. So I just took off my makeup and did my routine, which I will be, yeah, I will make a video of that very shortly because you guys asked. Are you serious? Are you serious? Apologize.
Sorry for farting.
He's so gross. Oh guys, he is so gross. And this evening we're actually sleeping under the stars. We're going to show you what that includes now. Okay, I'm just giving you guys some light with my phone because otherwise it's impossible to see it. Wait. The struggle is real. So we're here on the upper floor of our villa. So they put like all these, not real candles of course, but candles here around the bed. And they set up a whole bed for us so we can just sleep outside and watch the stars.
Alright, so we just woke up. This was our little nest for the night. It was amazing. It was a bit humid, but there was a nice little breeze, so it was just awesome. Sun got up a couple minutes ago, and now it is time for a delicious breakfast, which Laura is already photographing.
Good morning guys, so it's time for a little breakfast. So we're going to have breakfast here in our villa today. And I really didn't sleep well, so I'm so tired. Okay, so now it's time for a spa treatment. So we're going to have a couple massage, signature couple massage. Yeah, we're really excited because we love massage, as you know. It's time for some tea.
I'm so sleepy.
Nicolas snored during the massage. It's
I
horrible.
slept through like all of it almost. It was so good.
And I'm laying there next to him and I have to hear his snore. So this is how we go to the villa. We're going to shoot now outside of our villa, and Nicolas is trying to walk all the way to the hammock without his hands because we want to see if he can do it with a camera as well. Okay, so it's a shooting day today, but it's not going so well, so we're having one of these days where everything is just going wrong, and yeah, we're just having a hard time creating content today, and we're fighting, and yeah. So this is the next shooting spot. Let's see how it goes. Okay guys, I am so sad now because Nicolas is off for some snorkeling somewhere over there, and I just have to sit here and watch. I love snorkeling so much, so it's killing me that I cannot go ahead of him. Yeah, because my toe is still healing. Sad Phillips. It's just so sad because apparently there's, well, we already saw so many like stingrays here, sharks here, turtles here, like just like from up the jetty. And how is it? He says, Oh well. Stupid toe.
You can do it.
Okay, good morning guys. So it's the next day and it's the last day of our trip here in the Maldives. So we're going to enjoy this last day to the fullest because the weather is so beautiful. We're going to do a little bit of shooting. The doctor just wrapped my toe. So she says like I can try and go in the water like that, but just like for 5 minutes. So we're quickly going to take some photos in just 5 minutes. And after that she immediately needs to disinfect it. And then this evening we have our flight to Doha. And then we'll sleep in Doha for a few hours. Because last time we also flew over Doha. We spent 9 hours at the airport, which was a horrible decision. So now we decided to go to a hotel to just like sleep for, even if it's just like 6 hours or something, just to sleep a little bit, and then tomorrow we have our flight to Belgium. We go back to Brussels where we will see our family for about a week or two, and next week we're going to Disneyland. Super excited. So after breakfast you can get a little 5-minute massage to relax for the morning.
So we just took a picture in the water. Laura's foot got wet, but I think her little condom did the trick.
My condom. Yeah, it looks like it, but I just never want to leave.
How would you describe this?
Paradise.
We are on our way to lunch now. It's our last lunch here. After that, we're going to the private reserve to take one more picture, and then it is off to Belgium, unfortunately.
Paradise.
Would you say this is the best resort we've ever been to?
Yes. We're on our way now to the private residence. It is actually the biggest overwater villa in the world. It's right over there.
I just went off the slide a couple times and it is so much fun. Laura is so pissed right now because she couldn't go off the slide. Honestly, look at how big this villa is. It's just insane. I have never seen anything like this in my life. So we're back on the main island. What did you think of the private reserve?
It was insane.
Was it sick?
It was sick.
I mean, we could almost take all our followers and they would still fit.
How cool would that be? Just like invite everyone.
At the moment, we could take all our YouTube subscribers and invite them.
That's for sure.
That's probably one of our goals, maybe not for 2020, but 2021, is to be able to take our whole family on a trip one day.
Just one time.
But there's a wedding shoot going on. These people must be so hot.
So hot.
Yeah, like in 35 degrees and humid weather, you don't want to walk around in a suit and in a wedding dress.
But I mean, it's beautiful though.
You know what is beautiful too?
No.
You. And you know what else is? This. God, this place is just magical.
I always said I don't want to go to the Maldives for a honeymoon because we've been here so many times, so I prefer to do something adventurous. But now that we've been here,
Like this particular
I
island.
would love to come here for a honeymoon. But with a complete family. Let's just get married here.
So there's one problem with that.
Ask me, right?
There are two problems with that. One, I haven't asked. And two, you can't marry in the Maldives because it's a Muslim country.
When are you going to ask me?
When you're being kind to me.
I look like a drunk person, like with my bottle, like, whoa.
Okay, so I know two people who are going to be drunk in 2 hours because we have a wine tasting just before hopping on our flight.
And you know I'm afraid of flying, so I'm going to drink as much as possible. So I'm not scared, but I have to make sure that I'm still allowed to go on the flight.
We are almost leaving and it is the first time in a week that I'm wearing shoes. And it's quite weird, to be honest. I mean, look at this. This looks weird, doesn't it? All right, this is it. Just finished our little wine tasting. This is the Asian street market. It looks absolutely amazing. Laura is not feeling too good. She is drunk.
Cannot drink a lot of alcohol.
I am a bit drunk as well.
It's the middle of the day. It's the middle of the day.
It isn't. It's 6 o'clock in the evening.
But we've been in the sun all day and I cannot drink a lot. Oh.
Oh, what?
Oh, that fell out of the tree. Imagine that would be on my... And whenever I drink now, I just get so clumsy and my head starts spinning. I don't like it anymore. I used to like it when I was young. I don't like it anymore. Mm-mm.
Okay, so we just arrived in Doha in Qatar. We have a 10-hour layover, so we decided to book a hotel room, and we actually got a really nice room for $25. So when you have a layover that's more than 12 hours, you can actually get a super cheap rate, which we did, even though our layover is only 9 hours and a half.
Yeah.
So we're very happy they let us stay here because they didn't notice our layover wasn't 12 hours. So yeah, we're just gonna try and sleep for 5-6 hours and then it's off to the airport again. So we got a good night's sleep, like 5 hours, but now it is time to wakey. I'm gonna take a quick shower and then in 15 minutes we have to jump in our Uber to go to the airport for our flight to Brussels. Laura always makes these strange dinosaur sounds when she's waking up.
Guys, so we just got back home. We just landed in Brussels and
it is so quiet here.
It's so quiet here. So we hope you enjoyed our multiple parts of our Maldives vlog and see you in the next one.
If you haven't already, subscribe, hit the thumbs up if you like this video, and see you later.